Hello, and welcome back to Ashley U Life. In today's class, we're gonna do this amazingly fun, awesome glitter look. So glitter is like my new obsession. I'm actually thinking about considering making this like the year of glitter, where I just do glitter all the time. Nothing but glitter, everything glitter. Like, it's crazy the amount of people who ask me about my glitter eyeshadow. How did you do that? What did you use? I love it so much. So I'm gonna let you in on the secret, and I'm gonna tell you how to get this look. As you can see, I've already done all my makeup, I've done all my eyeshadow, and then I'm going to add the glitter. So to get the glitter to stick, we are gonna use this NYX Glitter Primer. This little baby is the best thing I have ever used to put on glitter. It holds the glitter in place, it stops it from falling, it is amazing. I'm gonna be using NYX's Glitter Brilliants. I'm gonna be using Rose and Crystal. And I'm gonna use both of them, and they are so amazingly beautiful together. Now, before I put on the primer though, I want to make sure these are prepped, because once the primer gets going, I want to make sure to stick the glitter to it almost as soon as possible before it dries out. So what we're gonna do is turn them upside down and get some of the glitter into the lid. Now once the glitter is in the lid, I'm gonna have you keep it upside down and then twist it off from the top. This is so glitter doesn't go flying everywhere. It's not gonna just fall out of the lid because there's these tiny little holes in it that will keep the glitter staying in the container. But we do have a lot of glitter in the cap. And I'm gonna do the same thing with the second one. See, no glitter falls out. But if I were to have done it the other way, all the glitter that's in the cap would have fallen like downwards this way. So you wanna make sure that you're keeping the glitter under control because glitter goes everywhere. So now I have my two little caps of glitter, and I'm just gonna set them on my little table, ready to go when I need it. So I'm taking the glitter primer, and I'm just gonna use my pinky. I like to use my finger to apply the glitter primer just because I feel like I have more control over it, and I feel like it helps it get a little bit tacky. Just like when we put on eyelashes and we put glue on the eyelash band, and we wait for it to get tacky before we put it on. It's the same thing with this primer. So I'm just gonna squeeze just a small amount on my finger, just like a little dollop, and I'm going to apply it to my lid. And I'm just gonna use a tapping motion just like this. Now I'm only gonna put the primer where I want the glitter because the glitter will stick to wherever the primer is. So don't get too crazy with the primer when you first start. Just go easy and then you can work your way up to more glitter. But I want the glitter on my whole lid, and I'm just staying below the brow bone, just staying on the lid. And I'm just using this tapping motion, and I can feel it get a little bit tacky. And right about now is when it's good to go. So you can use really any kind of brush. I like to use a brush that has a little bit of like a point at the top. And I'm gonna start with my rose color, and you're just gonna dip the brush in, kind of pack down the glitter, and just start applying, pressing it in the lid. We're not rubbing it, it's not eyeshadow, we're packing the glitter onto the lid. And as you can see, some glitter does fall, but don't worry, we're gonna take care of that. Now I'm keeping the rose to the outside of the eye. I'm going a little past midway and all the way out to the corner of my eye, and just grab more glitter as needed. Then using the same brush, I'm going to apply the crystal. I'm just going to kind of twist it around using a different side of it. I'm going to use the crystal and put it at the corner inside of my eye. And then we're going to do the same exact thing to the other side. And now clearly I have had a lot of fallout from the glitter because that is just what glitter does. Don't expect it to do glitter eyes without glitter kind of all over the place. But honestly, it's not actually everywhere. It's mostly just on my face. So we're going to take a big brush, like a huge brush, and we're just going to dust the glitter away. See, lots of glitter, not so much glitter. And there we go, glitter is contained. Now we might find a couple of pieces of glitter here and there, but you know what? A little glitter never hurt anybody. And if you're doing this to your eyes, you already love glitter, so it's not a problem. And then for the last finishing touch, we're gonna add some lashes. And if you don't know how to do that, just click the lid. And there you have it, my favorite glitter look. Now, one quick thing before I go, I want to let you know how to close these back up. So do not put the lid on top of the container. Put the container into the lid so that way the least amount of glitter spills. And then close it back up, and then you are good to go. And if you like this video, make sure to like and share so other people can like and share. And don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next class. Now you could use just one glitter if you want to. I decided to use two. I just think both of them look really, really pretty together. But really, it's up to you what you want to do. I now have probably 6 to 8 different glitters. Every time I go to the store, I kind of pick up another glitter just because I'm so obsessed. Like I said, I feel like this is going to be the year of glitter because I'm just in love with it so much and it's so pretty. And really, it's so simple and anyone can do it. So if you're not used to doing anything, you know, crazy, fun, and exciting with your makeup, maybe try a little bit of glitter. Little primer, little glitter, boom, you've got a great eyeshadow look. If you're new to my channel, I do hair, makeup, and life hacks weekly, so do make sure to subscribe. You can do that by clicking on my face right down below. And if you're interested, the class right here is my latest upload, and the class down there is what YouTube thinks you're most interested in. Go check them out. I'll see you next time.